In this video, I'm going to be running 3 sets of RCAs from this preamp here back to my 2 amplifier setup. Okay, so I decided to go with the driver side because it was an easier access point to get the RCAs to run around the dash. Now, I have them all connected to the preamp, so I think I'm just gonna put the preamp in there, and then if it'll focus, I'm gonna cable tie this mess of wires so it's pretty much just one long wire and run it through this panel, see how far we get. Okay, so I finally have all of these cable tied, going straight back to there. It's a little more manageable. My only concern is that there's not going to be enough clearance inside of there for all of these to fit through. But we'll see, I guess. Currently, I don't have these zip tied up yet, but I have them ran through clean, and then they're just gonna pop out right about there, and then just tuck behind the seat and come through to the trunk. And then I'll probably run it under this carpet and then up the bottom back behind this panel. Okay, I now have them all, have the RCAs ran good. I drilled out a little hole here to get a zip tie in, zip tied it to a pre-existing wire harness, tucks down into there, runs through here, and there's no issues with fitting it back in. Then it runs through here. Can see it a little bit there, which might bug me, and back through there and out to here. So eventually I will run it through there. I'm still figuring out some issues that I'm having with this.